Welcome to this SkbDiary channel. Here, we'll dive into the captivating world of heavy machines, mining operations, modern inventions, and cutting-edge technology. The SkbDiary type is intended for use in towing a variety of contemporary armored vehicles, as well as other military vehicles and emergency rescue operations. Additionally, troops can find temporary refuge from the vehicle. The SkbDiary can carry up to 20 tons of cargo thanks to its 68.5-foot telescopic boom. The complete infrastructure is fixed to a rough terrain crane chassis with 4 axles. The machine is driven by a diesel Liberty 946Ti engine and features 4-wheel drive. The crane unit has 2 winches with a 16-ton pulling capacity. It can be controlled remotely as well as from the operator's cabin. DT30 PM Vita Gas, an all-terrain, 2-link tracked vehicle with an armored crew compartment. This vehicle is intended to carry people, military and technical equipment, military equipment in particularly challenging weather and road conditions without the need for pre-planning route engineering and reconnaissance, and as a base for weapon installation. The first link behind the cab houses the vehicle's power plant. The diesel engine is a 12-cylinder B46 multi-fuel engine. A cardan shaft transfers torque from the engine to the hydromechanical transmission, which subsequently feeds the torque to the drive wheels of both links, the bevel, and the onboard gears. The De Bruin chopper roller is a straightforward heavy-duty device with a 9.8-foot width that can be used as a tandem or single roller. For many years, this equipment has been used in some of the biggest landscaping projects in the world, in addition to land management and farmland preparation. You may observe how the De Bruin chopper roller operates, and you will find that the mulcher really increases the profitability of businesses that utilize these kinds of equipment. With a massive 8.09 tons of lifting capability, the MC815 leads the well-liked MAA series and is now the most potent forklift in its class. This crane offers unparalleled versatility and a high lift capacity, with a new 10.4-inch multifunction touchscreen monitor, a 64-foot lift height, and an additional 1-ton capacity. By adding the optional 1.5-ton SkbDiary hydraulic 2-section extension, the maximum lift height can be increased to 84 feet. A brand new search hook with a best-in-class load capability of up to 1 ton is available. Power lift mode, multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling capability, automatic crane folding by remote control, and other features are new to this model, and an environmentally friendly engine that complies with EU Stage IIB regulations. Encon sweeping rollers. Is there anything to say? The brush roller is an indispensable instrument that will quickly become your favorite for sweeping any type of surface, be it gravel, sand, soil, or snow. It can be used to sweep gravel and sand from roads, clean grass foundations, pebbles, and other surfaces. It can also be used to clear places like streetcar stops, walkways, and intersections. Your creativity is the only restriction. Power is provided by a hydraulic motor, and the machinery's open design offers unparalleled and simple maintenance access. A chain drive regulates the brush speed. Moreover, changing regular polypropylene brushes is a quick and simple process. With the Powerhand RS 2000, you can get the most out of disassembling vehicles. The VRS 2200 clamp, which has clamping legs that lift and drop to securely grab vehicle bodies during processing, and the dexterous grapple with integrated scissors, work together to create a versatile tool for processing. The Powerhand RS is ideal for installation on the majority of machines with a payload capacity of 20 to 25 tons because it combines power and mobility in the ideal ratio. A continuous line of sight from the operator to the vehicle is made possible by a dexterous grapple that resembles pliers, which makes it possible to retrieve valuable items like copper wire harness from even the most difficult-to-reach locations. The VRS is capable of tearing through a car thanks to strong hydraulic cylinders and a high-torque spinning mechanism. The Ranch Works tandem drum aerator was created with land management and pasture aeration in mind from the ground up. With its thick-walled steel structure, triangular tongue, and Ranch Tech blades, it can handle land management and break through maximum subsurface loads. The tandem may transition from no-till to tillage as needed with varying roller offsets. Although its panoramic lattice cab can rise to a height of around 3.2 feet and revolve 360 degrees, it nevertheless has the appearance of a typical man truck. What makes them create such an odd design? The cars of the Don't Faru Lovo series are made for gathering, loading, and moving wood. The operator can remain within the raised rotating cab while loading and unloading cargo. Watch the unique Dull Lobo 12K logging truck in action in this video. The concept is just plain clever because it makes the driving much more comfortable. A QTS forwarder, which is genuinely an ideal forwarder, is seen operating on the Glasgow Southwest Line at Kirkconnell. A very revolutionary asset to the QTS Group's fleet. With its immense power, this fully automated shredder installed on a rail can split a tree with a diameter of 23.6 inches in just 10 seconds. An updated version of the original Mega Chipper machine, this bespoke kit comes with a vehicle for 4 operators, SMSE-based remote fault notification, and a shorter blade configuration that makes the unit operate even more smoothly. The pivot joint articulating the first arm of Extreme Z greatly improves the arms and the mower head's positioning capabilities, enabling you to manage demanding operating situations with ease. Because the Extreme Z can stay close to the edge of the road and optimize the boom length in the closed position, it makes it simpler to work on small roads without clogging the roadway and mow terrain. It is still easier to move and control the machine on the road because of its continued compactness. Not just the limited fraction that can be picked up by conventional pocket fans, but any semi-trailer can be hauled by Megaswing. As you can see, this means that instead of simply the existing 5% of trailers on European roads, 100% of them will be used for rail transportation, which is a significant increase of the market. Additionally, by providing an intermodal option for all semi-trailers, current terminals can grow their volumes and market share. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck redefines productivity and mobility by providing the highest speed and maximum payload in its class. Introducing Directional Reset, a patented invention that essentially enables the driver to reset the front and rear upper and lower vehicle alignment with a single button push. With a 29,001 pounds payload capacity, the top of the PR rotary carrier may rotate continuously. Of all the vehicles in its class, this carrier carries the biggest payload. This vehicle's spinning separation enables the operator to operate in confined, delicate spaces inaccessible to other types of equipment. The goal of Pilm Smart firewood choppers is to make the process of making firewood easier. They can be linked to a compact loader, hydraulic excavator, or tractor's hydraulic system. By extracting the logs straight from the forest trailer or stack and cutting it to the appropriate length, the Pilm Smart 1 firewood harvester increases productivity by decreasing the number of operations required. The modest size of the HKM Smart 1 enables manufacturing even on smaller machines. It's also simple to store the Smart 1, say, on a pallet.